Hello everyone and welcome to this module on the plumbing trade. In today's video, we are going to learn how to install a kitchen sink and a bathtub. By the end of this video, you will be able to install a kitchen sink and install a bathtub. Let us collect the tools, equipment and machinery required to do this. Ball peen hammer 1, drilling machine 1, chisel 1, pipe wrench 1, screwdriver 1, double-ended spanner 1, hammer 1, hacksaw 1, trowel 1, poker 1, spirit level 1, water tube level 1, measuring tape 1, screwdriver 1, silicone gun and sealant 1, power drill and drill bits 1 set, plumb bob 1, water pump plier 1, spade 1, straight edge 1, mortar pan 1, pipe vise 1, GI pipe and fitting as required, thread seal materials as required, plaster of Paris as required, white cement as required, solvent cement as required, angle caulk as required, push caulk as required, sink with accessories as required, bathtub with accessories as required, cement as required, fine sand as required, bricks as required, SW pipe or PVC pipe with fittings as required, water as required, and valve as required. Let us start with the installation of a kitchen sink. Hold the sink in position. The height of the front edge of the sink from the floor level should be 80 centimeters. Mark the position of the mounting wall bracket. Make a chasing using a chisel. Install a wall bracket to the wall as per the structural rough-in dimensions and ensure that the bracket is level. Fix the CI cantilever bracket in the chasing using cement-concrete ratio of 1:2:4. Cure the concrete. Check the sink for any visible defects. Lay the sink on its back to assemble the drain for the kitchen sink. Assemble the remaining components as shown and thread the 4 screws through the drain adapter and into the sink inserts. Ensure that the screws compress the drain adapter evenly onto the sink. Install the faucets, valves, and optional soap according to the user manual or manufacturer's instructions. The next step is to mount the sink onto the bracket and bowl. Ensure that the bowl is completely seated on the wall bracket and securely fastened to the wall at point A. Position the bowl above the wall bracket and press the back of the sink firmly to set the bowl flange into the wall bracket lip, making sure that the bowl is level. Secure the sink to the wall anchors using fasteners as per the structural rough-in requirement as stated by the installer. Next, we will install the strainer and P-trap. Connect chromium-plated full-threaded waste coupling to the sink. Provide the drain connection using GI or PVC pipe to the union and leave to the trap flow. Fix the sink tap. Provide water supply connection to the kitchen sink tap. Finally, test the sink for proper functioning and check for leaks and blocks. Next, we will learn to install a bathtub. Check the bathtub for any visible defects. Place the bathtub at the specified location while keeping the top level over a sand bed and cushion. Remove the two tubular cradle legs from the bath frame and retain the screws for later. If required, using the 23 mm fixing screws, attach the black housing socket to the bath frame. Align the cradle and handsaw directly into the baseboard using the 32 mm or 1 1/4 inch screws from before. Check the length of the screw. Should the bath have an edge frame fitted to the baseboard, align and secure the cradle to it. If the cradle stands proud of the baseboard, it can be shortened using a hacksaw. Once the cradles have been secured to the baseboard of the bathtub, secure them into the leg toggles with the self-tapping screw that have been provided, making sure that the self-tapping screw pierces the steel leg. This will be easier if pre-drilled with a 3.2 mm bit. Secure the adjustable M10 feet to the cradles using M10 nuts provided. Secure the adjustable center support using screw and nuts provided to the center of the baseboard or edge frame. With the bath in the upright position, set the top face level using threaded adjustment of the feet and lock nuts. When a panel is to be fitted, set the bath height to the height of the panel. Ensure that the bathroom is level using a spirit level. Connect the waste pipe to the waste hole. Assemble pop-up waste coupling. Fix waste coupling in the provided area. Connect the waste pipe into the pop-up coupling and connect the waste pipe into the drain line. Fix the mixture tap to the top level of the bathtub and connect the hot and cold water supply line. Fix the trap in the outlet. Connect the hot water line on the left side of the mixture unit. There should be handles on the top of the tubs. Fix the chain with rubber for maintaining the water level. Check the bathtub for proper installation and functioning after opening the taps. In this video, we have discussed how to install a kitchen sink and install a bathtub. Hope you have a clear understanding of this session. Thank you all and see you in the next video.